Come hiking with me. My name's Nafhe. I'm 19 and currently living in Iran. I go on lots of hikes, but this one was more of a nature walk. So it took us 3 hours to get to our destination by bus, and then 1 to 2 hours of walking the trail to our camping spot. It started snowing midway and it was so exciting. Then we got separated from the rest of the group because they wanted to go to the peak, but we wanted to stay. By the way, this mountain is called Imamzada Qasem and it's located in the north of Iran. From there you can see Mount Damavand, aka the highest peak of Iran, but we couldn't see it because of the fog.